Hey guys. I had this thing for like a really long time actually. I'm actually still kind of confused I didn't make a video about this earlier. But yeah, this is my DIY portal gun. If you thought this was a tutorial, sorry, it's not really. I'll try to link the tutorial that I did actually follow to actually make the portal gun down in the description. I'll try. So the portal gun has been in the background of my videos. It's like right there on my bookshelf. Yep. I'm gonna just go get it. Alright. So here is my portal gun. Jeez, my hand doesn't even fit in here anymore. Here is like the entire thing. It's completely DIY, which if you unacronym the DIY, it kind of makes no sense since DIY stands for do it yourself. But I'm just gonna do what I did for the Springtrap mask, which was just describe how I built it and stuff like that. So really the first thing I did was I found like a PVC pipe. I like bought it somewhere. I mean, also by the way, most of what I'm going to describe in this video is already in the video that I try to link in the description. So you can watch that if you really want an in-depth like tutorial on how to build this. Basically use the same structure of the actual one in the video. But then I bought one of these pieces. I literally have no idea what the names are. In the video it'll actually describe everything. But I just attached it on there. It's kind of like a hose, giant hose thing there. And then what I did was I just cut with like, I mean, I didn't do it because I was like young. I don't know. Just cut in this type of shape. You could literally just look at the portal gun and try to replicate it there. But then on the portal gun, it'll actually have like these kind of cool things and then I thought of just putting tape because it looked almost there. I mean, sure, it kind of had this like weird stuff on the weird PVC thing, but it worked. I found this material. I don't exactly know what material it is. I just found it in some like craft store, and then I'm like, ooh, this would be pretty good for this thing. And then I put it on and it's actually really good, and it actually worked out here too. And also here all I did was just got some of this exact material, and then I just put squares, or I put like a layer of 2, and then I duct taped it in right there, except my hand doesn't fit. Stupid big hand. Now for me this is like the smartest thing I thought of doing. And this like thing right here, you might have noticed, but it's actually a water bottle. Now, why is it so smart? It's pretty obvious, but like, you know, it's clear, it has it's pretty good material. It's cheap. But the thing is, over here, look at that. That looks like straight out of the game, and I like that was super cool when I found this out. So you want to use the smart water bottle, and then just take off the tape or like the smart water label on the water bottle, and then put it on. And there we go. For the light, I just put some like felt material or something. I don't exactly know why I did that, but you know, it works. This thing is like really dusty, But yeah, that's basically my DIY portal gun. And again, if you want to actually build it, then you can go in the description and hopefully find the video. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Subscribe and like this video or whatever.